'69 Chevy Chevelle COPO. Man, it's a little rough on the get-go. Give it some gas. It doesn't take off right away. It's a little bit of a rough ride to it. You can tell it's a muscle car. The inside's clean though. I mean, whoever restored this aesthetically looks really good. You can feel when you get to the higher speeds, that's where it's comfortable at. It doesn't like being down at 10, 15 miles an hour. It likes moving. You feel the car is starting to scream. As it warms up more and more, wants to ride, wants to play. Oh, I'm liking driving this car. I mean, I feel like I'm on a track. Right when you give it gas, you can feel the jump pop up. Oh, the front pops. You can feel so much torque when you let off the gas. The car just revs and slows itself down. Looks like they took some real care restoring this. Some nice play in the steering wheel. You can really feel the road. Nice how the sun hits off the hood, the blue in the front. Looks real nice. You can see the old-time rearview mirror. It's big. It's almost too big. You can see everything behind you. It's a nice ride. It's fun to play with.